Hey, what's up, beauties? So in today's video, as you can see by the title, we about to jump into this Mocha Jane color wear test or whatever. If you have not seen the first video, me applying this Mocha Jane hair wax temple rubber color, make sure to go check that out. I'll put it up here in the cards and also in that description box down below. And when I say I was shook, okay, y'all, you have to start there. You have to see all the tea before you jump into this video, okay? This video is basically gonna be like a week review of like how this color wears, if it transfers, if it get all over the place, if it fades out. At the end of the video, I'm also show you how to shampoo this stuff out, which is really just shampooing your hair. So yeah, if you're interested in seeing this whole week wear test review or whatever, just go ahead and stay tuned and let's jump into it. So to start off, this is day 2 of me wearing this hair color. Honestly, I love it so much better than I did the first day, because the first day I wasn't really feeling the color. I'm gonna insert, you know, clips and stuff right here. It looks like yellow. So girl, here is the final results. Like, but yeah, the color was just like gold, and like it just was very gold, and it just looked a little weird to be like a hair color. But after that first night of just like settling in and this color being on my hair, as you can see, I don't know if y'all can tell a difference, but it looks so much darker and so much more like blonde, because that's what the gold is supposed to give off. It's supposed to give you like blonde vibes, and I am really feeling the blonde vibes on day 2. One thing I was really concerned about with this color was the transfer. I was like, is it gonna get everywhere when I go to sleep? Is it gonna get all over the place on my pillows, on my sheets? Like, what's gonna happen? What is it gonna do? So I'm about to show you. This is a scarf that I put on my head last night. Y'all, I need to get a new scarf. I'm literally putting on a do-rag on my fro, trying to pineapple it. Y'all, the struggle is real. I need to get a scarf. Like, here's the scarf that I wore on my hair last night, and as y'all can see, gold dust is all up in this thing. As soon as this dried up on my hair, that's something I told y'all about. Every time you touch it, I wish y'all could really see that, but every time you touch it, you gonna get like some particles. It's flaky. That's basically what it is. It's flaky, so you gonna see that color like just flaking out, and it kind of gets like on your, you know what I'm saying, like your chest area and stuff too. I feel like I got like a little shimmer going on, and it's cute because it's gold, but that's definitely something you want to be mindful of. You don't want to be playing in your hair when you got this color on and you got on some white clothes, okay? This stuff definitely is like a girl, like a Christmas tree. You just shake it and a little jingle jingle come down, a little sprinkle sprinkle. I did not pass the whole scarf test, which I really expected anyway. Yeah. Now, second test. It's my pillow. Here's my silk pillowcase, and as you can see, nothing, girl. I was really surprised because I was so sure that my whole pillow was gonna be gold. Like, I just knew it. I'm like, I'm about to wake up with a gold pillow. It's gonna be like a gold like stain like this on my pillow. I just knew it. No gold got on my pillow, which I was shook by. It was like a few little dusties, but like it does not stain at all. Now it does stain if you get your hair a little bit wet. Obviously it's temporary color, so definitely be careful of that. If it's raining outside, you do not want to wear this, okay? If you're gonna be around any type of water, you don't want to wear this, because I was giving my babies a shower. I bent over a little bit and the middle of my hair got wet, so I was trying to like touch it and stuff. I definitely got like gold on my hands and stuff, so that's definitely something you just want to know with any temporary color, really. I mean, you can't get it wet. So yeah. Okay, what's up, y'all? It is day, I think 3. I skipped yesterday. I didn't film yesterday because, y'all, my hair was literally in a wrap all day yesterday, fried chicken and everything, okay? But I think today is like day 3 or maybe day 4. I don't know. I'll put it on the screen, but I feel like the longer that this temporary color sits on your hair, the better it looks. I know a lot of people in my comment section, like the first video I initially did with this stuff, a lot of people did not like the color. They was like, ugh, that look fake, it looked greasy, it looked ugly, and y'all know I said it myself, I wasn't feeling the color at first because it just looked like a weird color. It didn't look blonde, it looked gold, like, and kind of greenish. And I guess that's because my hair is like really dark, it's jet black. But when I tell y'all, I am loving, excuse my kids, y'all probably hear them in the bath. Anyway, I'm really loving this color now. Like, it kind of got me wanting to color my hair blonde for real, because this is just so cute. I love it. My hair still feels soft. It does not feel like greasy. It don't feel hard. It don't feel crusty. It don't feel dried out or nothing like that. Like, it feels good. It still feels how it felt on day one. I am loving this color. I honestly think it's bomb. And like I said, the longer you let this color sit, the more bomb your color is gonna be. It's still like when you shake it, you still gonna obviously see like a little bit of flaking. But honestly, I feel like the flaking was worse on the first day I did it. And today, like, I hardly don't even get anything. Like, I'm looking at it right now. I wish y'all could see it through the camera, but I'm looking at it and it's like not bad at all. Now, you do get a little bit of transfer on your hands when you put it through, but it's like a transfer you can hardly see. I can see it. It's like just like a gold shimmer, like a light gold shimmer on your hands. You know, give you a little glitter, give you a little gold, but it's nothing crazy. Like, I do not understand the bad reviews with this product. Maybe it's about how much you put on. I feel like I'm really not getting that bad of a transfer, and I'm gonna show y'all everything that's done came in contact with my head and show you guys like the little bit of transfer that I do have. Y'all might can see like a few little particles of glitter or just, oh girl, my shirt is dirty just from being a mama today. Now I'm about to show y'all everything that I've worn on my head. I wore this scarf. I mean, this scarf is yellow, so you can really hardly see, but I'm gonna just tell y'all, I do have some shimmer going on my scarf, but it's nothing crazy. It's nothing muddy. It's nothing like smearing out. It's nothing messy. Basically, you just get like a little shimmer, a little glitter, a little gold. This is the brush I used this morning to put my hair in a puff. Obviously, I have like some gold flakes in my brush. It's just like, it's just that little bit of glitter, a little bit of gold. Like, I don't know how else to explain it, but it's not nothing like crazy. Like, oh my God, like this is a mess. Like, everywhere I walk is a mess. Everything I touch is a mess. It's honestly not bad to me. Like, here's my pillowcase. It's still the same, y'all. Nothing on it. Like, I think this is what I'm most shook at, because I was just so sure that my pillow was going to be a hot mess. Nothing is on my pillow. Like, nothing. Like, nothing. And here is the jacket I wore today after doing my puff. Obviously my hair was like wet with the gel, so you do want to be careful of that, putting like a lot of product on your hair, putting really any like liquidy product on your hair. You want to be real careful. Let it dry up before your hair touch stuff, because I put on my jacket like right after I did my puff, and it definitely left that little, you know, gold stain on my jacket. But other than like the little bit of glitter, a little bit of gold, it's like I'm still shook. Like, hey y'all, so I know my hair is looking a hot mess, okay? And I just wanted to go ahead and finally wrap up this color. Let me explain to y'all a little bit of something. So this color, temporary color, has been sitting on my hair for a week and 4 days. I planned to have it out way sooner, but I got sick and I just honestly been in bed. Like, this is why my hair look like this. I've been in bed without a headscarf or anything, just like So yeah, that's why my hair looks atrocious. But I do have to say that this color came through, held up, okay? Like, I've been, like I said, y'all, I've been laying on my pillows, like just laying all over the couch, and the transfer has not been bad at all. The color is definitely starting to like fade out, but that's one thing that I mentioned in like my 4-day update, or whenever I did my last update, is that the color looks better as time goes on. So now I feel like it looks a lot more natural. It just really look like my hair is colored. So this is my final update with this Mofa Jane hair wax temporary color. This is washout day. I'm about to go ahead and show y'all how this washes out, how easy it comes out, and if it stains or anything like that. Y'all excuse my face, I'm sick. But overall, I definitely rate this stuff like 10 stars. Like, seriously, even like I don't even have a lot of fallout anymore. Like, y'all know, like the first day it was like jingle bell, but as time goes on, like I don't have any type of dust falling out. I don't have no transfer. I don't have like nothing. Like, it's honestly just like a part of my hair now. It's like this color literally becomes a part of your hair until you wash it out. Like, girl, nothing. Also, excuse my nails. Like, y'all, this whole week has been ranky janky for me. I started experimenting with one hand. I didn't finish the other hand. So just excuse everything about me today. Just focus on the hair, okay? So yeah, let's go ahead and get this rinsed out. looks after just one rinse. No shampoo. Y'all can see it came out super easy. The color is gone. All you gotta do is rinse, girl. Feeling good, don't feel like nothing crazy. Just my hair feels regular. I do have like a lot of shedding, and that's because I just have not been taking care of my hair. I haven't detangled anything. I have not touched it. It's literally been in a gel wash and go for a week and 4 days, almost 2 weeks. So I definitely expect some shedding, and I'm getting a hell of a lot of shedding. Oh my God, I'm getting a lot of shedding. Whoa. I'm about to go ahead, shampoo, condition, and I'll show y'all how my hair looks, you know, after all of that. All right, y'all, I just washed and conditioned my hair. I just want to show y'all how it looks all washed out. My hair is like super dry and like not in the best shape right now because I've been neglecting it. But as you can see, all that color is out of my hair. I don't have like any residue or nothing. It's all gone. Like I said before, I had a good experience with the Mocha Jane hair wax color. It did all right for me, almost lasted 2 weeks. The color was definitely popping the longer I wore the color, so I liked it, you know what I'm saying? It didn't make my hair feel crunchy or weird or anything like that. I mean, I honestly just feel like I had a moisturizer on my hair, and that was it. So yeah, that is it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure to thumbs up if you did. I appreciate it so much, and I'll see y'all in my next one. Bye.